Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Moshir English, a channel for teaching English language and literature. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? The sentence which describes any person or any object is called assertive sentence. For example, Salim Raja goes to university regularly. The pen writes well. Okay, for the betterment of you, I'm going to write on the whiteboard. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. The sentence which describes any person or object is called assertive sentence. For example, Salim Raja goes to university regularly. The pen writes well. Dear students, I have already written the definition of assertive sentence with its example. What is assertive sentence? The sentence which describes any person or object is called assertive sentence. For example, Salim Raja goes to university regularly. Look at the sentence. Salim Raja goes to university regularly. Okay, from this sentence we find Salim Raja is the name of a person, and this sentence describes this person. For this reason, this sentence is assertive. This sentence describes the person Salim Raja. So, this is an assertive sentence. The next sentence, the pen writes well. Here the word the pen is an object, and this sentence describes the object, the pen. So this is an assertive sentence. Dear students, assertive sentence is also called statement sentence, declarative sentence, etc. This assertive sentence is divided into two parts: affirmative sentence, negative sentence. This assertive sentence is of two kinds. Number one, affirmative sentence. Assertive sentence is divided into two parts: assertive sentence, statement sentence or declarative sentence is of two kinds. One is affirmative sentence, another is negative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? The sentence which describes a person or an object positively is called affirmative sentence. The sentence which describes a person or an object positively is called affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. For example, Mijan works here sincerely. Mijan works here sincerely. Mijan works here sincerely. This is an affirmative sentence because Mijan works here sincerely. This sentence describes the person Mijan positively. So this is an affirmative sentence. We can give another example. The bridge looks very nice. The next sentence is the Podda bridge looks very nice. This sentence describes the object, the Podda bridge. So this is also an assertive sentence. What type of assertive sentence? This is affirmative sentence because this sentence tells something positively here. Okay, the next sentence, negative sentence. Negative sentence. What is negative sentence? The sentence which describes something, the sentence which describes a person or an object negatively is called negative sentence. The sentence which describes a person or object negatively is called negative sentence. The sentence which describes a person or an object negatively is called negative sentence. For example, he is not an active person. The house does not look attractive. Dear students, I have already written the definition of negative sentence with this example. The sentence which describes a person or object negatively is called negative sentence. For example, he is not an active person. From this sentence we find the subject he, and this sentence describes this person negatively. He is not an active person. This is negative sentence. Here is the word not, and this not is describing the person negatively. So this is a negative sentence. Okay. The next sentence, the house does not look attractive. The house does not look attractive. From this sentence we find the house is the object of this sentence. The sentence describing the house negatively here. The sentence does the house does not look attractive. The house does not look attractive. From this sentence we find the sentence describes the house negatively. The sentence describes the house negatively. So this is a negative sentence. Dear students, assertive sentence, I repeat, the sentence which describes any person or any object is called assertive sentence. It is also called statement or declarative sentence. For example, Salim Raja goes to university regularly. From this sentence we find the person Salim Raja. Salim Raja is the name of a person. This sentence describes this person. So this is an assertive sentence. The pen writes well. From this sentence we find the pen is the name of an object, and this sentence describes this object. So this is an assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is of two kinds. Assertive sentence or statement sentence or declarative sentence is of two kinds. Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? The sentence which describes any person or any object positively is called affirmative sentence. For example, Mijan works here sincerely. Dear students, from this sentence we find Mijan is the subject. Mijan is the person of a Mijan is the person. Okay, Mijan is the person, and this sentence describes Mijan positively. Mijan works here sincerely. That means a positive sentence, positive side of Mijan. Okay, so this is an affirmative sentence. The Podda bridge looks very nice. From this sentence we find the subject Podda bridge. This is an object. This is a thing. This is an object. And this sentence describes the object Podda bridge positively. So this is an affirmative sentence. The next, negative sentence. What is negative sentence? The sentence which describes any person or any object negatively is called negative sentence. For example, he is not an active person. From this sentence we find the person is he, and this sentence describes the person he negatively. He is not active. He is not active. He is not an active person. So this is negative sentence. The house does not look attractive. The house does not look attractive. From this sentence we find the object. The object is house. The sentence describes the house negatively. The house not attractive. Okay, the house is not attractive. The house does not look attractive. The sentence describes the house negatively. So this is a negative sentence. Dear students, if you would like to know about assertive sentence in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.